Your product team just rolled out the launch of a new feature. It's a great feature. It's something that your audience has been itching for. It's been something that even in the customer success side have been requests for this feature time and time again. How do you sustain momentum? On the day of launch of this feature, you get hunted on Product Hunt. People are going wild. The hands are being clapped and everyone is saying this is amazing. But then it dies off. It dwindles. The conversation drops and nobody else is excited anymore. How do you sustain that momentum? Well, the way you do it is by you keep launching. You keep announcing it. You keep talking about it. You don't lose momentum. It's easy to think that every launch needs to be isolated to 24 hours. That's just a construct. There's no reality that says from the time you wake up until the time you end, that is the only time in which you can launch. A launch doesn't need to be one day. It can be a full week. It can be a full month. You can keep launching. You can keep announcing it. You can keep talking about it. You can have videos about it. You can have stories about it. You can have content written on your blog about it. You can even start hosting webinars about this feature. The launch doesn't end the day that it goes live to your customers. You have to be consistent at talking about that launch and that feature day after day, week after week, to ensure that you don't lose any momentum.